One of the biggest myths I see around UGC content creation is the idea that you need a following before you can actually get started and get paid by brands. And today I want to explain exactly why that's not true and where that belief even comes from. The reason that people assume that followers matter is because they're thinking about influencer marketing, where your audience is the product. But UGC works differently. In UGC, brands are not paying for your reach. They're paying for your ability to create content for them. Brands already have a distribution, ad accounts, and customers. What they don't have is an endless supply of fresh, relatable content that feels native to social platforms, and that's where UGC content creators come in. When a brand hires a UGC creator, they're hiring someone to produce short-form videos or photos that they can use in their ads, on their websites, in their email campaigns, or even on their own social media accounts. But none of that requires you to have an audience. In fact, many brands prefer creators with smaller or no followings because the content often feels more authentic and less performative. Another important thing to understand is that UGC content is usually delivered privately. You're not being hired to post. You're being hired to create an asset. And that's why you might not see creators publicly sharing brand deals, even though they're getting consistently paid behind the scenes. What brands actually care about is whether you can follow a brief, communicate clearly with them, and deliver the content on time. Follower count does not indicate any of that. And this misconception is often why a lot of creators delay starting. They think they need to grow first, when in reality, UGC actually allows you to get paid while you're still learning and improving. Once you stop tying UGC to social media growth and start seeing it as a creative service, the entire business model becomes way clearer and far more accessible. If you want a clear understanding of how this works, from the place of a beginner to getting to a point where you become a paid, consistent UGC content creator, I do have resources in the description below, so check those out. Please leave any comments that you have, questions, concerns, and make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time.